Hello, in the next episode, today I'm going to repair Xbox One X, which was sent in for the Hdmi retimer IC repair, and also it's got some more issues, like the sync button doesn't work, and in the front USB port also doesn't work, so we need to fix it. Alright, let's start the repair. Alright, so this Xbox One X has got HDMI retimer IC issue. It's got snapped front panel, as you can see. You see, it has been snapped. So there's no chance to repair it, we just need to replace this module. Alright, need to remove this part. And it's got also completely broken connector, which we won't be able to repair. We just need to repair the sync button only. Too many traces have been ripped off. I'll show you on the microscope. Alright, so let's start from the HDMI retimer IC first. So this value tells me that the HDMI retimer IC is faulty, because it should be 0.27, and on the other side, if we swap the probes, we should have 0.47. So as you can see, this retimer IC is shorted. So let's replace it and check the values then. Alright, so let's test the retimer chip again. I've just replaced, I've just replaced this chip. So let's see now if I was right. So the correct values are, let's see. So I said 0.47, yeah, but because this chip is a little bit warm at the moment, so it's showing us it's a good value. Alright, so let's swap it over. And we should have 0.27. And we've got. So this value is correct. So that means this chip is good now. So we've got also the sync button to fix. Where is it? Yeah, it's here. So let's look under the microscope. We just need to replace this panel because it's not gonna be working. Look at this. There's no access to blow, the hot air. From this side we've got a disk drive connector, and from this side no chance. Alright, I just replace it. It's gonna be easier. Alright, let's test it on the tape. Right, you can't see nothing on the screen, but the console has been dropped. The customer told me about that. The console has been dropped. That's why it's got so many damage on the motherboard. So let's replace the hard drive and see if that helps. Right, unfortunately we have no picture on the screen, so we need to have a look at the Hdmi board. And we've got it. We've got it. It's in the lowest resolution. Hooray! Ages. It took ages. Let's plug the controller to USB-C port. To USB port. Too many Nintendo switches for repair, that's right. Right, so let's get in. Let's test the resolutions in the settings. Alright, so this is not an auto detect mode. Oh, it is. Alright. Let's use 4K. Alright, let's test it on the telly.
Never really saw you coming until you turned me around. Used to think I was nothing, but look at this love we found.
We've got 4K resolution on the telly, so everything is good. I just need to fix the sync button and finish.
Until you turned me around. Used to think I was nothing, but look at this love we found. So give me your hand, welcome to the plan. No, I don't ever wanna see you cry. Oh, wait up, no more tears. Oh, wait up, no more tears. Take that chance, we'll be fine. No, I don't ever wanna see you cry. Oh, wait up, no more tears. Oh, wait up.
Alright, so we got sync button fixed. But you know, the front USB port, it won't work, so yeah. Alright, I just need to turn this off, secure by the solder mask, and put all screw back together, and that's it. Okay. Okay, so as you could see, the Xbox One X has been repaired. We've replaced the HDMI retimer IC. We've also fixed, the sync button, but we couldn't repair, the front USB port because it was, the pads were too damaged, and so the console is fully working at the moment. So we can send it back to our customer. Alright, I hope you enjoyed of this video. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.